Click off Friends of Light. Let's turn this table into a dark, desolated ice field with a lone survivor struggling for his life on his last fire he could make. Let's go. For the snow field, I'm going to cover the table with white cardboard and just put regular cotton on it, fluff it up a little bit to make the snow, and maybe put some paper below it to form dunes and waves in it. As you can see, I didn't cover the whole table because the camera will be very low and on a wide angle, so it would only see a part of the table, and all the holes in the cotton here, it won't see it because of the angle too. As for the fire, I will use this little thing. I just made it with a small LED inside there, and the wood is actually just chopsticks cut up, broken apart and painted a little bit with brown and black. And with these little LEDs I can just use small button batteries to make them shine, and on top of it it's just hot glue to form the flames. The poor chap in the ice desert is going to be this guy here, just a plastic figurine or action figure that you can put in several poses. And I'm just putting some leftover cloth over him to make a cape to protect against the cold. To give the whole scene some atmosphere, I'm going to use one of these vape devices. This one is pretty interesting because the coil is free, so when you press a button it just emits vape and you can blow over it, so you don't have to inhale the stuff. And if you want to enhance it a little bit more, you can also take a cardboard tube and blow into it, which lets you control the spread of the vape a little bit more. And then, as a last detail for the ear, I'm going to use a black fiber optic brush with the light painter's flashlight on a fast strobe to create some snowflakes whirling through the air. And at the very end, to form some contrast, I will use an EL panel, hold it in front of the lens and turn it on a little bit to color grade the whole image blue, which gives a wonderful contrast to the warm glow of the fire. With these diorama light paintings, it is very important to create yourself a kind of storyboard or some sort of sequence that you follow. It doesn't really matter for the light painting itself, but it helps to remember what steps you have already done and what you have to do next. So in this case, I would start with the fire and let it glow for a little bit and maybe blow a little bit of vape over the whole scene to create a nice glow. Then I would create the vape itself in the air and light it with a very cold white light, and at the end do the swipe with the black fiber optic brush and then do the color grading with the EL panel. I hope you found this little image breakdown interesting. If you have any more questions, just put them in the comments. Also let me know if you want to see more content like this or want to see me explain any other things that you would like to know. So have a good day and hopefully till next time.